In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subtitles in Canva for free. Subtitles help more people enjoy your content, whether they're watching with the sound off, need clearer comprehension, or prefer to read along. Let's walk through the full process, step by step, while keeping things simple and polished. Start by opening a video project in Canva and uploading your video file. You can drag and drop it into your project or use the upload button. Give it a moment to process, then place the video on your canvas so it fills the frame. It's helpful to play a few seconds to confirm the audio is clear. Better audio generally leads to more accurate captions. Next, generate your captions. Look to the left-hand menu and click Text. Then choose Captions and select Generate Captions. Canva will scan your audio and create timed captions on your timeline and canvas. If you see a language option, confirm the correct one for your video. Once they appear, press play to review the flow. You'll likely see the captions pop in and out at the right moments, which makes it easy to spot anything that needs tweaking. Now, style your subtitles so they're easy to read. Click any caption on your canvas to open the top toolbar, then adjust the font, size, and color. Aim for high contrast with your background. Dark text on light video or white text with a subtle shadow works well. You can also add effects like a semi-transparent background or an outline to increase legibility on busy footage. Keep your captions near the bottom of the frame, but leave a small margin so they don't touch the edge or cover important on-screen elements. When you are ready to refine the text and timing, click directly into a caption to edit individual words. Fix punctuation or adjust line breaks. For precise control, select the entire caption group and choose Ungroup, so each caption block can be adjusted separately. You can nudge their positions, trim edges, to sync with a speaker change, or split long sentences into 2 lines to make them easier to read. Short, punchy lines at a comfortable size usually perform best. Once everything looks and reads the way you want, it's time to export. Click Download, choose MP4 video. Select your preferred resolution and download your video. The captions will be baked into the file, so anyone who watches it will see them exactly as you designed. That's it. Thanks for watching.